Good afternoon, students. Today we will learn our remaining topic of protein, types of supplementary food proteins. First, we will learn about the supplementary foods. Supplementary foods or nutritional supplement is a preparation intended to supplement the diet and provide nutrients such as vitamins, mineral, fibers, fatty acids or amino acids that may be missing or may not be consumed in sufficient quantities in a person's diet. Some countries define dietary supplement as food, while in others they are defined as drug or natural health product. सप्लीमेंट्री फूड मीन्स जो डाइट में इंक्लूड नहीं किए जाते, हमें बाहर से लेना पड़ता है, तो इसको सप्लीमेंट्री फूड बोलते हैं. जो हम बाहर से विटामिन्स, टैबलेट्स, आयरन टैबलेट वो लेते हैं, उसको सप्लीमेंट्री फूड्स बोलते हैं. देन हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट सप्लीमेंट्री फूड इज. An easy result from survey conducted in many countries reveals that in present people are having insufficient nutrition for health, such as having 50% less calcium and the nutrition contained in environmental pollution and other lifestyles such as smoking, drinking alcohol, sunbathing or even stress can cause health damage as well. Thus we need to consume nutritious and healthy food in every meal. However, the best source of vitamin and minerals are vegetables and fruit. Only 15% of women and 13% of men have sufficient volume of vitamins and minerals. Therefore, supplementary food helps fulfilling the missing amount of nutrition but not replacing main food. It also helps our body not to lack of necessary nutrition and an easy way to earn nutrition. Supplementary food means जो डाइट में इंक्लूड नहीं होते, हम बाहर से लेते हैं. And why it is important? Because due to lifestyle changes, due to drinking alcohol, some vitamins और minerals नहीं मिलते बॉडी को, तो वो लेने जरूरी है फॉर हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल. Then PEM and the I. PEM means protein energy malnutrition. PM refers to a form of malnutrition which is defined as range of pathological conditions arising from coincidence, lack of protein and or energy in varying proportions. The condition vary in form ranging from mild through moderate to severe degrees. Kwashiorkor, here we can see picture of the Kwashiorkor disease. Here thin hands and legs of the child and belly is expanded form due to protein energy malnutrition. And marasmus also is a disease of protein energy malnutrition. Protein energy malnutrition affects mostly children because children have less protein intake. And swelling of the eyes also due to protein energy malnutrition. Protein deficiency can reduce the amount of protein in blood plasma and leads to liver problem, which produces iron required to produce hemoglobin. And due to this protein deficiency, amount of protein in blood plasma also reduce and it leads to liver problem. And due to liver problem, iron required to produce hemoglobin is less and swelling of the eyes takes place. Then nitrogen balance. Nitrogen is a fundamental component of amino acid which are the molecular building blocks of protein. Therefore, nitrogen inputs and losses can be used to study protein metabolism. Nitrogen is a fundamental component of amino acid and amino acid is a molecular building block of protein. So, nitrogen losses and inputs are essential to study protein metabolism. Nitrogen input and nitrogen losses is necessary to know for how is nitrogen balance. Nitrogen balance is a measure of nitrogen inputs minus nitrogen output. Types of nitrogen balance. There are two types, positive nitrogen balance and negative nitrogen balance. Positive and negative self indicates that positive means increase in nitrogen input and negative means losses is more than input. Positive nitrogen balance is associated with periods of growth, hypothyroidism, tissue repair and pregnancy. Here intake of nitrogen is more than losses, and in negative nitrogen balance is associated with burns, serious tissue injuries, fever, hyperthyroidism, wasting diseases and during periods of fasting. This means that amount of nitrogen excreted from the body is greater than the amount of nitrogen ingested. A negative nitrogen balance can be used as a part of clinical evaluation of malnutrition. Nitrogen is a component of amino acid, and amino acid is a building block of protein. And type C, positive nitrogen balance and negative nitrogen balance. Positive nitrogen balance means input is more, negative means output is more. Then changes in protein requirement. In some phases of life there are changes in protein requirement from normal, just like pregnancy, illness and fever. Here we finished our protein chapter. Today we learn about the supplementary food, types of supplementary food, and nitrogen balance and changes in protein requirement. Here we finished our protein third chapter of nutrition, protein. Thank you.